Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You all can see I had created this look. It is just with the lipstick. I have created the eyeliner, blush and the lipstick. So now it is the time to clean up, and here first I'm using the micellar water. I have just kept the cotton pads in a container and poured some micellar water. But you all will see that even the micellar water is not able to remove the lipstick which I had used as the eyeliner today. Guys, it is one of the best trick to use your liquid matte lipstick as your eyeliner, as it does not smudge or move. And here, after using the micellar water, I'm not able to remove the makeup, so I'm using this clean sponge. I call it as a miracle sponge, and you all can see still it is kind of removing my makeup now. The eyeliner, yes, it is removing. So this one is better. No wonder I love it so much. And guys, I had bought this sponge. It is a pack of 2. I got it from Amazon and it is just for rupees 350 or 400 for 2. I'm still using the first one and the second one is kept pack as it is. So once you all buy this, and no need of disposing any of the cotton pads or anything. It is really nice to remove the makeup, and you can always clean anytime with the shampoo or any of your hand wash. You all can see it is removed almost 90% of my makeup, even the mascara, eyeliner, kajal, everything. I highly recommend this clean sponge, so do try and let me know back. And guys, now to wash my face, I'm using this Good Vibes Vanilla Foaming Face Wash. What an face wash, I totally love it. You would have seen me using the other like neem, honey, lemon. They all were from the same brand, and now I'm using this vanilla one, which is so good for the skin. It has amazing ingredients in it. It claims to remove away any kind of dirt, oil and stubborn makeup in an instant. Best way to remove makeup without drying skin. Now again, to be double sure, I'm using this cleanser. I got this from Miniso, and it has got a button here. When we click, it vibrates. You all can see, and I'm gonna lightly massage. Oh my god, my left hand doesn't work, so I'm using my right hand to remove the face wash and going it very gently, trying to clean my skin. And guys, by doing this method, it is like you are deep cleaning your skin. You can tell that you're going for a cleanup at home itself. And now the other side, it has got even more soft, which is so nice to clean your nose. It totally removes your blackheads and gives you a different shine on face once you wash it. Guys, I'm picking little more of this face wash so that I can lather well. Keeping your skin clean is very important to have a nice glowing skin. This cleanser is also available on Amazon too, so y'all can have a check. And now I will just wash my face and be back. Guys, I hope y'all can see the difference. It is already so glowy and it has cleaned my skin so nicely. I had scrubbed my lips with this, and now to tone my face, I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Toner. Guys, it is very important once you scrub or you deep clean your skin, use a toner. By doing this, your pores get closed and the toner calms the skin. And now I'm using this serum from the brand Garnier. It is the vitamin C serum, which is so good for the acne scars. You all can see almost my bottle is getting over. I'm using this every day night to take care of my acne marks. And now with this, I am mixing the tea tree gel. It is again from the brand Good Vibes. Guys, just try this brand once. You're gonna fall in love because it is so good for the skin. It has got all natural ingredients in it and really gives a good result. Very affordable for the quality and the quantity it is giving you. As my skin is oily to combination, so this kind of gel and face wash is just perfect for me. But trust me, anybody can try these products. You're gonna seriously love it. Guys, is there anything which I can help you all with taking skincare and makeup? Please let me know in my comment box. Guys, love yourself, pamper yourself. All you need is a beautiful skin to have a flawless makeup. And now taking care of my lips with a lip balm. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe, like and share, as I will be coming very soon with more amazing videos. Bye bye.